Hi, this is my review for the Pikachu Plush light up plush. So how it lights up is basically right here on the hand, has a little button, and then it talks. It says Pika Pika. This is the front and the back. So interesting little thing. It does do this, but if you hold it, he'll make a different Pika sound. So I'll demonstrate. If you hold it, you keep holding it. No, this is, yeah, that's the third one. Yeah. So it's just those three sounds that I know of. Maybe we'll say something else after I'm done. Let me see. No, I guess you have to let it go. Yeah, so I guess it's the two sounds and then the third one. So I was just making sure. So yeah, so that's basically how it works. It's very cute. My son likes it. So it's a great little toy to have. Has a little fuzz here that you can open up a little bit, so separate. So it's like a Velcro, but that's if you wanted to open it up. But I guess it's to change the battery. I haven't really touched the battery, so I'm assuming that's why that's there. But I really haven't gone through and changed it before. Haven't had to. So yeah, it's very nice, cute, fluffy. So yeah, check it out.